In version 1.5, the Colour Picker tool was added to the Affinity Designer toolset. This is linked to the Colour Picker already available in the app, but with some unique features. In this video, I'll show you the differences between the two and go into a few details about them. The Colour Picker, which has existed since Designer's inception, can be accessed via this icon on the Colour panel or Swatches panel. It is also included in pop-up versions of these panels, such as here on the Context toolbar. To use the Colour Picker, drag from the icon and release over your chosen colour. The scope of this Colour Picker is not limited to Designer's document view. You can select any pixel on your screen or any screen if you have a multi-screen setup. To assist you with selecting a colour as you drag, a magnified preview will appear, which also gives you the RGB values for the pixel under the cursor. This Colour Picker selects a single coloured pixel only. Once the colour is picked, it is stored in the circular swatch next to the icon. To apply the colour to an object, select the object and click on the circular swatch. Now let's move on to the Colour Picker tool, which is available from the Tools panel. This time, click to select it or press the I key on your keyboard. One difference to note is the Colour Picker tool's range is restricted to the document view. If I move away from this, the crosshair cursor switches to an arrowhead and I cannot select a colour. The Colour Picker tool has additional settings, which I'll get into in a second, but to use the tool, either click on the colour you want to pick or drag to magnify the area and then release to pick. The colour is stored up here as before. However, with the Colour Picker tool, you can add the chosen colour to the document palette as well by holding down the Command key on a Mac or Control key on Windows when you click or drag. If there isn't a document palette in place, one is added for you. Furthermore, if you look at the Context toolbar, you can see there is an option to immediately apply this colour to your current selection as well. So if you have a shape selected, the colour is immediately transferred to it. Another major feature of the Colour Picker tool is the ability to select a colour which is an average of a selected area, rather than a selected point. This is particularly useful when selecting from raster images, such as this image by Mike Yuktenko from Unsplash.com, where colours vary minutely from pixel to pixel. To select colour using an area rather than a point, select a size from the Context toolbar's Presets pop-up menu. I'll show you an extreme example of this. This is the colour resulting from selecting a single point. This is the colour resulting from a selected area. The Colour Picker and the Colour Picker tool are great ways of extracting specific colours from an image or document. However, you can also use automated processes using the Create Palette From options from Panel Preferences on the Swatches panel. For more information on this, see our comprehensive help system or other video tutorials available from the Help menu. Thanks for watching.